Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video, we'll be going over the best quiz apps for your Shopify store, as these apps are going to make it super easy to add a quiz in just a few clicks. So I'll be going over the top apps here, taking a look at their descriptions, the UI, the reviews, as well as their pricing. So make sure you stay until the end of the video here. Dive into the first app right away. It's called a Shop Quiz Product Recommender. So it's a data, quiz, and survey builder. Quizzes are supposed to help drive sales, segment leads, and grow your audience. So in terms of the UI, you can create these shoppable quizzes here. This is great, as the example here uses, for skincare brands, because you can then determine what demographic, age, and skincare type the customer has, which makes it easy for them to show them the right products they need. You can also connect your quiz here to your favorite marketing tools. You can see Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, Klaviyo, and HubSpot. You can also add conditional logic to your quizzes, so you can tailor the results they see based on what they answered. In terms of pricing, this app has a free 14-day trial, and there is a free to install plan with unlimited quiz engagements, 100 quiz completions per month. When you move up in price, you get unlimited quiz engagements and 500 completions. At $99 a month, you get 1,000 completions per month, along with extra features. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 198 5-star reviews. Before I go any further, I want to thank our sponsor, CalC, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets and to calculate your profit with just one click. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for, and it's going to calculate your profit, letting you understand your metrics in real time, along with many other detailed profit analytics and calculations. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. I'm also going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy-to-read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
So let's take a look at the next app here, and that's going to be Presidio Quiz Kit. It's going to allow you to quickly build highly personalized and conversion-focused quizzes to drive revenue for your store. So you can automatically sync those results in Klaviyo, Recharge, and Attentive. There's over 15 pre-built quiz templates, and it allows you to display fully personalized recommendations anywhere on your store. In terms of integrations, there's also OmniSend, your Facebook Pixel, MailChimp, and Google Analytics. It allows you to create advanced logic and display controls. The custom result page layouts are super cool here, as it's going to be tailored to what the customer answered. There's also pre-designed email flows, and there's 10 pre-built templates and 8 unique question types. They're a 45-person team that has built Quiz Kit specifically for your store on Shopify. In terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial. There is a free plan, but it's only going to be active if you have a development store. The pricing is really going to start at $59 a month, including 500 quiz engagements and 8 cents per additional engagement. And as you start to move up in price, you get product personalization, along with sending results versus email, phone support, and you get more quiz engagements at a cheaper cost per additional engagement. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent and really perfect 5 stars here with 121 5-star reviews. Next, let's take a look at Perfect Product Quiz Builder. Again, it's going to allow you to create shoppable quizzes. So you can create these branded quizzes here. You can personalize a smart results page here to show exactly what they're needed. So again, the example is going to be a supplement store. And we've seen skincare brands being used a lot as the example too. In terms of integration, it easily integrates with apps such as Klaviyo, Regmi Reviews, Yopto, Privy, MailChimp, Shopify's review platform. And again, it's going to allow you to create quizzes with advanced logic. You can optimize those quizzes based on the data it shows you as well, giving you detailed analytics such as the flow conversion rate for these quizzes. In terms of pricing, this one's going to have a free plan for unlimited quiz engagements and completion. You get things such as email collection, revenue tracking, results matching. It is going to be limited to 3 questions. And so the paid plan is going to be $19.99 a month, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of completions you have. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 98 5-star reviews. Let's take a look at the last app here. It's going to be called Quizzle Recommendation Quiz. So it's going to have an easy to use editor to build your quizzes and give different product recommendations based on some of these quizzes here to show customers exactly what they need. There's also multiple embed options. As you can see, you can do full page, in-page, a pop-up, a greet bar, as well as a floating button to help customers take your quiz. Again, there's going to be built-in analytics. There's also features such as jump logic, multi-language, product match, and much more. In terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial. It's going to start at $15 a month for 500 quiz engagements with one quiz, and you have your integrations with Klaviyo, HubSpot, Omnisend, and more. And as you start to move up in price, the max plan will be $199 a month with 20,000 engagements per month. So this is going to be priced on engagements rather than completions, and you're going to get more quizzes you can have based on the pricing plan. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 30 5-star reviews. So this is going to conclude the video here on the best Shopify quiz apps. If you enjoyed the video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Lastly, I want to mention Profit Calc one more time, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.